We're here in the beautiful North Wales visiting one of our amazing suppliers, Hilltop Honey. So make sure you keep an eye out for their honey in our recipes.
My name's Scott Davis. I'm the founder and owner of Hilltop Honey. An apiary is a collection of beehives. We only have about 7 apiaries. It's about 50 hives. Generally speaking, there's about 50,000 bees in a hive right now. We have well over a few million bees. Extracting your first honey is like the best feeling ever. It tastes like divine. And we just try to replicate that now if we can with our own products. We'll try and never lose sight of that. We've been working with Mindful Chef. It's a great relationship and we're happy to provide them with some quality honey. Honey ties in quite well with the healthy aspect of Mindful Chef because honey is a very good alternative replacement for any sort of sugars. Worker bees at this time of year live for about 40 days. The queen bee lasts for about 3 years. She's laying eggs of up to 2,000 to 3,000 a day right now. Bees fly about 38,000 miles to produce a jar of honey. They visit about 2 million flowers in that process and they make about 1/8 of a teaspoon in their entire lifetime for one bee. Appreciate your honey when you're eating it and make sure you get every last drop of it.